what it is it's a moisture absorber, and you basically hang it anywhere that's damp, a closet, laundry room, anywhere you're hanging like wet clothes or damp clothes. It attracts and traps excess moisture, freshens and cleans the air as well. So this is what it looks like. We've got the package here, and we just open it up and bring it on out. And this is what it looks like. It's got a top container here, which has these this is where the moisture goes in, this little paper side. And then on the plastic side here, you can kind of see where it is, and if you need to throw it out and get a new one. And the bottom plastic part here is where the water is going to go down and collect and get the moisture out of the air. So it kind of absorbs it through this top side, drips down and goes to the bottom there. So we'll hang that one up. This is the old one we had, which we hung up we actually have a closet that we got really damp, and this is basically needs to be thrown up. But look at all the water there at the bottom. You can see it as I move it around. But so this is a used one that we'll throw out, but that's probably over the course of maybe 2 months or so, 2 to 3 months. And it definitely works. You just have to have somewhere to hang it is the only thing with this one. I guess you don't have to, but it says, the moisture comes in through the top part, it drips down, and you throw it away when you're done, basically. You can't reuse them or refill them. And these are just some other suggested uses here. You could use them in a garage, on a boat, I suppose, or RV. And it says it lasts up to 60 days. Now, if you do want to try these out for yourself, go ahead and check out the link below and in the description. It's an Amazon affiliate link. And go ahead and check out this next video. Thanks.